Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to stream via Wi-Fi only on YouTube Music app. And now let's dive right in. Now to stream via Wi-Fi only on YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YT Music guides on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where again you'll be required to tap on the settings just above help and feedback, and over here tap on the data saving button over here, which is the fourth one. And to land over here guys, you can see the second option that says stream via Wi-Fi only, and streaming over Wi-Fi and unmute your data only helps reduce mobile data usage. And with that being said guys, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the option that says stream via Wi-Fi only, and then you will start to stream via Wi-Fi only on YT Music app. And then guys, this is how to stream on Wi-Fi only on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.